We just wrapped up our 2021 business planning retreat.
Spoiler alert, we're about to do an online event where we're going to walk through the entire thing with you the same way we did with everybody here.
It was a tremendous benefit today. I learned a great deal on how to run your business like a Fortune 500 company and what it takes to dial in for your 3-year plan to your 10-year plan and how you track that quarterly.
To build a plan based on a structure that's not been built for our industry. And that's what you and I like about it, because we really like to think about this business as a business.
This structure that we follow is something I personally paid $15,000 to implement this into my business. And I know your team spent a ton of time and money learning the same system, all to narrow it down, just like a simple 2-page plan. Not 20 pages, not 100 pages, 2 pages.
When you really take a look at what this 2-page plan does, which gives you perfect clarity on that 10-year goal, which then allows you to document exactly where you're going to be 3 years out, where you're going to be a year out, where you're going to be this quarter.
Having a plan like this that is really built out, really keeps us focused, keeps us on track, has been a game changer for us.
But the only way that it's going to matter is if we get extremely clear and purposeful January 1 to March 31st. What has to have happened?
We're going to do an online version. It's coming up on Wednesday, the 23rd, 9:30 a.m. We're going to condense this down into 4 hours. This is going to be something for those that are really, really committed, really focused. This is going to be no bullshit, no fluff, no selling, straight down to business. You're going to walk out of this thing with a 2-page plan that you're going to be able to go and implement into your business.
We don't care if it's your first day in the business. We don't care if it's your first day in the industry. We don't care if it's your 15th year, your first day. It doesn't matter to us. The only thing that we ever ensure is that we're only surrounded by people that are committed. That's it. So if you show up, it's going to be a day's worth of work. We're going to set up your 2021 for success, for clarity.
For sure. Wednesday, the 23rd, right before Christmas, before you check out, go spend some time with your friends and your family. It's going to be at 9:30 a.m. Pacific time. We're going to go for 4 hours. There's going to be a link down below. Hit the link and get registered. Planning is what gets you to 200 plus million, 300 plus million. If you guys want to get to that level at some point, whether that be this year or in 5 years or in 10 years from now, which building your 10-year target is part of this plan, we want to help get you there. So hit that link down below. We'll see you guys on the 23rd.